On this video, we're going to be discussing how to install the black box traffic recorder. This one is from Temu. It's very cheap, didn't cost so much, but here are some of the stuff that comes with it. Alright, in case you want to buy it from there. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to be setting this up, so stay tuned. Alright, so here you have cable that goes to it, so I'm going to be putting that on. And then here you have the little camera that goes up. Alright, so I'm assuming, give me 1 second, I'm assuming this goes to the front, so you see the camera here, you can move it towards you or you can move it on the front. And if you're doing Uber, I'm pretty sure you can flip it this way, Uber or Lyft, right? Then here is the camera where you can see. And here where it, on this side right here, it records. So I'll be taking this little plastic off and see what's going on here. What I'm trying to figure out. Now it's simple setup. All you have to do is plug right underneath here. Just plug it in there and set it to as far as you want it to go. There's plenty of cable here. Alright. Hey, by the way, if you can, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. It's a brand new YouTube channel. New Jersey Uncovered, so I will be doing a lot of other videos. Alright, so here, I don't want to glue it yet. I don't want to put the sticker right here, but I don't want to do that yet. So I'm going to turn this on. So you'll be putting this on your, where the lighter goes, right? Where the lighter goes. Turn the car on. Let's see how well this works. It's on. Cool, okay. This will be going this way. So this has to go, oh, this is really nice. This has to go this way. Alright, so this part right here has to, you have to plug it up. And I'll show you in 1 second. Alright, so give me 1 second. I'll be right back. There you go. So it's that simple. All you have to do is glue it on there. It's an easy setup. Take this, the little plastic part from back there and just glue it up. Alright. Then you have the cable that goes there. So one cable there goes all, and it's good to go. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and there's more video to come. Thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe.